So Bossard's been in ag manufacturing for 30 plus years. Recently, with the influx in ag manufacturing, we moved 25 million pounds in the last year alone, just dedicated to ag fasteners. That takes into account the growth in our existing business as well as new business that's come along all across the United States.
I started with Iowa Industrial Products, who was bought out by Bossard just over 30 years ago. And when I started, they were heavily into the ag business, so they had been doing so like since the 80s.
A lot of times we see conversations about just being a distributor, what's different. You know, why should we pick Bossard? A lot of things come down to what Bossard values and what we do. What we want to do is support you in more ways than just getting you fasteners to keep manufacturing going. We want to support through engineering, through our vendor managed inventory and smart factory logistics, which brings in, you know, technology to manufacturing and really a total cost of ownership. Something that we can do to bring value to you and really work as a partnership instead of just giving you parts and that's all we do.
Don't be fooled by thinking that it's just nuts and bolts and that fasteners are, you know, just a commodity. There's a lot that goes behind it. Choosing the right fastener, using it the right way, using the correct assembly methods. That's where the engineering comes into place. It's not just fasteners, it's the whole package.